Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number 4113-7W. This is your 9/16 by 18 by 3.5 inch long spring bolt. Let's check it out. Alright, we're looking at part number 4113-7W. This is your 9/16 by 18 by 3.5 inch long trailer spring bolt. So this spring bolt right here is commonly used on 2-inch wide slipper springs, typically found on anything from 5,200 pound axles up to 8,000 pound axles, 9,000 pounds sometimes. And it has this hole right here, so you can squirt grease on this zerk fitting, and it's going to squirt grease out of this hole to keep all your moving parts lubricated. This is a cheap upgrade to your trailer to make your parts last longer without having to replace them. So I highly recommend it with a little upgrade. So we'll just measure it out real quick. So the overall from the top of the head to the end is going to be 3.88 inches long. The usable length is going to be 3.5, 9/16 bolt, 0.55 inches, as you can see. It's a grade 5 bolt, you know that from the 3 lines on the top right here. And you just use a standard grease gun to connect onto this zerk fitting to pump it full of grease to keep all your parts lubricated. And you would use a TPU 916L lock nut with this. And if you need these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.